For this super simple and quick balloon sword, we're only going to need to do one twist. What's up everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to share with you the fastest and easiest way to make a balloon sword. Some supplies you're going to need are your handy dandy balloon pump, which makes it way easier to inflate these 260 size twisting balloons. You can check out the description of this video to see the supplies that I use. I'm going to inflate my balloon almost all the way, leaving about a 3-finger length tail. We're going to fold our balloon into an S shape, grab it in the middle with one hand, and then use your other hand to twist these two sides in opposite directions. And voila, you have your super simple, easy balloon sword with one twist. Don't forget to like this video for good karma and subscribe to my channel for some more super easy and fun balloon tutorials. You can check out some of the contests that we've got going on in the description below, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you in the next video.